Hello everyone, if you're trying to play MortalShell 2 and your game is not launching, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix MortalShell 2 not launching on your computer easily. So first off, you're going to go ahead and update your graphic card's drivers. So open up your web browser. I'm going to show you NVIDIA first and then I'll show you AMD and Intel. Click on to drivers here. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form. So select your graphic card series, model, operating system and your language. After that, click find here and it will look for the correct GeForce Game Ready driver for your computer. And there you have it. Just download GeForce Game Ready driver and install it. Now on to AMD. Go on to AMD.com, click on to resources and support, drivers, then scroll down, click graphics, Radeon RX, select your graphic card series and then model, click submit, click your operating system and download the latest AMD Adrenaline drivers on your computer. Now on to Intel, go into Intel.com, click on to support, download center. You're going to click on to graphics here. Search for your graphics card here. And you're going to download the latest Intel Arc graphics drivers. Once you're done downloading the drivers, you're going to install them and you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, now you're going to open up your games platform. And then you're going to right click on MortalShell 2, Properties, Install Files, click Verify and tear your game files here. Once you're done with that, now you're going to open up your games folder. It should be in your Steam's library. Sparta, MortalShell 2, Binaries, Win64. There you have it. Right click on the MortalShell 2 exe, click Properties, Compatibility, click on Disable Full Screen Optimizations and click Run this program as an administrator. After that, click Apply, OK, and just launch the game from here. Don't launch it from Steam, launch it from here instead. And there you have it, guys. Now your game should launch and you will not face those launching problems anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.